Tabriz is a city of art, culture, and history in Iran. It is the most livable city in the country and the world city of carpet weaving, as recognized by the World Crafts Council. Let me take you to Tabriz Grand Bazaar, a vibrant showcase of life, beauty, and creativity. This tourist-friendly spot will lift your mood as you feel, hear, and smell the pulse of the city. Under this amazing roofed construction, you can find everything you can think of, from spices and herbs to fruits and vegetables, from nuts and seeds to flowers and plants. Tabriz Bazaar is also a cultural heritage site registered by UNESCO. Inside the longest covered bazaar in the world, there is a section called Mozaffarieh, or the heart of Iran's carpet. It has been an exhibition of Iran's pride for centuries. You can sit at the entrance of this timche, drink a cup of tea, and enjoy the spirit of life in it. This gem of Tabriz Bazaar has been a hub for the design, weaving, and sale of hand-woven rugs and carpets, which are among the best souvenirs of Tabriz. It has been handling orders to send Eastern cultural and artistic ambassadors to the Western world. Currently, this marvelous place is doing everything from design to delivery for home use, local sale, and exports. It is also doing the repair of old carpets called refugari. I call it the surgery on the injured carpets by skilled and professional surgeons. Here, in this mind-blowing art complex, you can find millennia of the art of carpet weaving. National and international tourists can marvel at the wool, cotton, and silk rugs and carpets which display amazing colors, patterns, and sizes. Yes, that's right. Mozaffarieh has rolled out the red carpet for carpet lovers, a supreme and matchless product, as well as a green, clean, and nature-friendly industry. The materials, colors, and even the manual labor of love of weaving carpet knots all come from the heart of nature. If you want to mix your life memories with perfect carpets that will not only decorate your home but also make a positive impact on the world by supporting some of the UN's SDGs, such as SDG number 1, SDG number 2, and SDG number 8, visit this must-see in Tabriz, get the best deal, and let your eyes and spirit enjoy a piece of art for the rest of your life.